Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a tidy home with my game-changing storage space decluttering hacks. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the clutter in your storage spaces? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle the often dreaded task of decluttering your storage spaces to create a tidy home and a peaceful environment. Let's dive in. Clutter can have a significant negative impact on our mental well-being. It can make us feel stressed, anxious, and overwhelmed. Our storage spaces often become dumping grounds for items we don't know what to do with, which only adds to the chaos. Organizing these spaces is crucial for maintaining a sense of order and peace in our homes. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on minimalist living and decluttering. Let's explore some practical, yet not so obvious tips to declutter your storage spaces effectively. 1. Set a decluttering timer. Allocate a specific amount of time each day for decluttering. Set a timer for 15 or 30 minutes and focus solely on decluttering during this period. This approach prevents burnout and makes the task more manageable. 2. Digital inventory. Use a digital inventory app to keep track of the items in your storage. Photograph and catalog items, noting their location. This helps you remember what you have and where it's stored, reducing the chances of buying duplicates. 3. 4-box method with a twist. Use the traditional keep, donate, sell, and trash boxes, but add a review later box. This box is for items you're unsure about. Set a reminder to review it in 3 months. If you haven't needed or missed the items by then, it's a sign they can go. 4. Create zones. Designate specific zones in your storage space for different categories. For example, have a seasonal items zone, a sentimental items zone, and a tools zone. This helps in organizing and finding things quickly. If you love this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as it helps us to continue creating content like this. 5. Repurpose storage items. Before buying new storage solutions, look around your home for items you can repurpose. Old suitcases, baskets, and even mason jars can become great storage options. This not only saves money, but also promotes a sustainable approach to decluttering. By setting a timer, using a digital inventory, the 4-box method with a twist, creating zones, and repurposing storage items, you can completely change your storage space from chaotic to organized. It's truly inspiring to see the difference. Decluttering your storage spaces can be achieved with some creative and effective strategies. I encourage you to start decluttering your storage spaces today and share your progress in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on improving your daily living. Also, check out the link in the description and comment section for a 30-day challenge planner to help you get started. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Modern Minimalism.